Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Swift versus Stonic. The Swift, a nimble hatchback, excels in city driving with its compact size and responsive handling. The Stonic, a stylish subcompact SUV, offers a more elevated driving position and rugged appeal. We will explore their key differences, from performance to interior features, helping you decide which vehicle best suits your lifestyle and daily needs. When it comes to performance, the Swift often feels more agile, thanks to its lighter build and peppy engines, making it fun to drive. The Stonic, with its slightly higher stance, offers a confident ride and a better view of traffic. Both vehicles prioritize economical fuel consumption, making them excellent choices for daily commutes and longer journeys alike. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, after a long drive, you'll be hungry. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Inside, the Swift focuses on straightforward functionality, providing a comfortable and intuitive cabin experience. The Stonic, however, often boasts a more contemporary design with a larger touchscreen and advanced connectivity features. While both offer decent space, the Stonic typically provides slightly more cargo volume, which can be a deciding factor for some buyers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.